on the edge of making a decision, but a bit fearful just in case it doesn't work out to plan? A timeless technique my mother used to always do was balancing the pros and the cons. What are the positive things if all goes to plan, and contrasting it with the negatives? Sometimes the simple act of getting things out of your head and onto paper or your preferred device allows you to logically consider which way to go. How does this make you more productive, you might be wondering? When you have ideas, thoughts, fears or worries running around in your head, they can seem overwhelming and can impact on your ability to do everything else you need to do in life. When you visually see them, it often doesn't seem as overwhelming or as hard, and if it does, allow yourself to step away from the information and come back after a break. You may find it's just what you need to get productive again. Is there a decision you need to make in your life that's taking up mental space and stopping you from being productive?